right half.
0.5.
Nice shot. Good wind call.
Impact.
Send it. Impact. Perfect.
Oh, come on back, wind. That wind felt so good.
Yeah, right.
Push right 3/4.
Good shot.
Push right half.
Low.
0 stop.
I don't see the mirage.
10 1/4.
Look. Dead bear. Nice shot.
Dead bear.
I don't see the mirage.
Ready?
Shooter ready.
Push right half.
Dead.
Impact.
Send it.
Dead bear.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Good shot.
That was a beautiful shot, Hannah.
Thanks for the call.
Send it.
Send it.
No wind.
Perfect.
I think you missed
Beautiful calls.
really good range.
I was gonna say. I don't know.
Yeah, those raindrops are longer.
Yep.
Hold
But
right 0.75.
they're about 20 inches long, right?
Push right 0.5.
Perfect.
Send it.
Impact.
Hit. Yep. Hit. Nice job.
Thank you.
Here you go, left.
Good.
41 3/4.
You got 41 1/4.
And you have 39 1/2 Ireland?
Yes.
Load up around. Just over.
Perfect wind, right?
Yep.
There you go.
I'm getting a left.
You listen to your gear.
0.75.
Right.
Send it.
Send it.
Hit it?
Yep. Perfect.
Right through the middle.
2.5.
I'm gonna look in a second. Yeah,
Left. Push left.
but she needed more wind, right?
Left, city, and
Can you push left?
Hit.
couldn't tell.
Yeah, I think that was a hit. I didn't see a miss.
Left 5 1/4.
Ready.
Send it.
I tried to get on it, but it's.
Oh, you neutered him. Send it.
I heard it.
Yeah, I lost it.
Okay, still left one.
Good.
Push left one. Can you hold left? Hold left 2, Hannah. Yes, ma'am. Send it. Right in the plate.
Good stuff.